Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion pages from mobile app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Notion app on your mobile device. Navigate to the workspace that contains the pages you want to backup. Select the page you wish to backup. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Share option from the drop-down menu. In the sharing settings, tap on Copy Link. Now, open your preferred email or Notes app. Create a new message or note. Paste the copied link into the message or note. Add any necessary information or context about the page. Repeat these steps for any additional pages you want to backup. If you'd like to create a PDF, return to the Notion app. Open the page you want to convert to PDF. Again, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Export from the options provided. Choose PDF as the export format. Adjust any export settings if needed. Tap Export to save the PDF to your device. Choose a location on your device to store the PDF. Now, your Notion page is backed up as a PDF. You can access this PDF anytime for reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.